Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2015 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. So from any screen, easiest way is, nothing showing on the system at the moment, but if you click the rotary control forward, it brings up the top menu. Then we want to go to Navi, we'll click Navi, so it's on the map. If we click the rotary control forward again, it brings up this other menu again. We go down to the bottom, and there you can see we want destination, select destination. You've got address entry from previous destinations, but we want address entry. Click on address entry, and there you've got country, town, street, but we want postcode. So that's on the middle menu. We click it back towards us onto postal code, click and select postal code, and then with the rotary control we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Waltleydale, Preston, PR. It's automatically gone to numbers 5, 4, J, S. That's it, PR54JS. Click to select. Gone to continue, click continue.
Your route is being calculated.
And then you've got start. It's already on start. Click start.
Please follow the road for 1 mile.
It's not actually the easiest system to use, but once you get used to it, you'll be fine.